With crypto market imploding, trading exchanges declaring bankruptcy faster than any other time in history, and investors' assets being frozen or locked up on exchanges. It's nerve-wracking being a crypto investor these days, especially when you don't know which exchanges are safe to use or the least riskiest of bankruptcy. Well, we've done the research, and from our own experience, and in this video we found 3 exchanges which are the lowest risk and are safe to use to invest or trade crypto. So we start with my personal favorite and the one I use and trust over any other crypto exchange. Number 1, Binance. Now, it was founded in 2017 and it is by far the most reliable, relevant, and largest exchange in the world. In 2018, Binance was the largest cryptocurrency exchange with a market capitalization of $1.3 billion. And in 2022, it is the most used exchange in the world. Currently, Binance has a very trusted user base globally. With positive reviews, stable rates, and accessible withdrawal forms, Binance has been gaining credibility. It is secure and protected, and all the activities of Binance are legal. The CEO of Binance, Changpeng Zhao, or CZ as he's usually called, is a cryptocurrency expert himself, working on projects such as blockchain.info and served as the CTO at OKCoin. Having that strong technical background has ensured that Binance stays ahead of the market both in platform capabilities and reliability. To add to its credibility, Binance developed its own tokens. Binance Coin launched in 2017 and Binance Smart Chain launched in 2020. Binance supports smart contracts and has reasonable and average cost fees. And since we are dealing with the crypto market, keeping only one wallet can be risky. That is why I recommend always having 2 accounts and know your wallet addresses for reduction of risk. In case an exchange halts transactions, you can always use the backup exchange. I personally use FTX as my backup exchange, and it is my second favorite. So number 2 is FTX. FTX was founded in 2019 and is a Bahamian cryptocurrency exchange. The CEO of FTX, Sam Bankman-Fried, traded international ETFs before he founded FTX, and was also the founder of a trading firm. All in all, he is very business savvy. FTX growth strategy has been organic as well through acquisition. With the recent crypto winter, SBF decided to acquire its competitor exchange BlockFi, among others, including a rumored Robinhood. FTX has reportedly proposed to include the reputed trading platform Robinhood, which is pretty popular among young traders for its commission-free trades. It also offers both traditional stocks and crypto-based investments. Statistically speaking, FTX is expected to grow the fastest considering the crypto hype and enraging economy. It's promoted and trusted by numerous social media influencers. With its sharp marketing strategy and brand value, FTX is indeed like no other. It is going to become the most popular exchange for the general public in the upcoming years. FTX demands no deposit fees. FTX also has the lowest cost fees. But perhaps, as people say, old is gold, and for the old one in the field of cryptocurrency exchanges is Kraken, the last one on our list of safe crypto exchanges. Number 3, Kraken. Kraken is a US-based exchange founded in July of 2011. Kraken was founded by Jesse Powell, who was very far-sighted and began working on Kraken assuming the fall of Gox. Now, no one can beat the security expert, CEO of Kraken, in his own game. Kraken has since then acquired many of the big sharks in the game, including CoinSetter and CryptoWatch. Kraken has cryptocurrencies as well as fiat currencies listed on their exchange. Kraken is, however, the lesser known of the 3 and has the highest cost fees of the 3, but nonetheless, it is very trusted and easy to use. Now that you're accustomed with the safety crypto exchanges, let's now talk about long-term security. This is where we look towards different kinds of wallets. Crypto wallets range from online wallets, software wallets, and hardware wallets. Online wallets are the easiest to use, and they are used within exchanges and simple to set up, and are free as they come with the account on the exchange. But they are the riskiest because if the exchange is hacked, the online wallet can be emptied. Software wallets are safer, however they cost money to set up and they are connected to the internet all the time. Hacks can get to these too, albeit less often than online wallets. Lastly, the safest wallet is hardware wallets. These are offline or cold storage wallets. These are the safest because they are offline, need private keys which are written as hard copy pen and paper, and thus are impossible to hack into. As the classic expression goes, not your keys, not your cheese. It is that simple. You own the private keys associated with your funds, so don't put your assets in the hands of an exchange. Lastly, here's one golden rule to share. Even though these are the safest crypto exchanges, the crypto market is a free market, and regulations and customer protection are lagging severely, and any customer support is non-existent. Thus, the golden rule is don't keep your crypto on an exchange if you plan to hold it long term. The best practice is to only use the exchange to buy and sell. Then all crypto you plan on holding long term for investing, transfer them to a hardware wallet like Ledger or Trezor and keep it safe. The hardware wallet might just look like a USB stick, but it has money on it, so treat it like it's a briefcase full of cash. Also, if you would like to know more about how to make money when investing in crypto, watch the 2 videos right here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.